very prestigious, being here among such fine people with something Femina, has been. I think it's been over 50 years since Femina has been available to people like us, who we can subscribe for beautiful articles written, on terms of relationships and beauty and health, fitness, traveling, everything. So it covers it all. And the best thing about this is that it talks about real women. It talks about their real instances. And I'm really happy that I'm here, to talk about women. Now the Women's Day is also approaching. I think it's fabulous that Max is coming up with something to, help women feel more pampered and wanted. I think I feel most confident and good when I'm comfortable with the kind of clothes I'm in, and when you're wearing your personality. I think you're wearing fashion and you're being trendy. I think you can, if you have a good personality, I think you can pull off just about anything, be it a regular gunji and jeans, be it, in fact for me, I think my personal statement is very casual, it's very simple, it's very, a lot of people would not really term me as a fashionista because I am very jeans and a gunji sort of a person, a t-shirt and jeans and a jacket maybe. Winter, I'll add on boots to it. So I'm a very regular dresser. I don't really do a lot of trendy things. I'm very minimalistic with accessories and stuff. Be yourself. Yeah, be confident and wear what you feel confident in. You don't really have to follow a trend or follow anybody in particular, because you know your body best. You know what would suit and complement your body, and I think one should dress up accordingly. Well, I have not really decided exactly. I'm a late bloomer. I don't plan a lot ahead. I think my manager would have a better deal of my day schedule than I do. But you know what? One thing I'm really happy about is that I and my family, women in my family, we all strongly believe that it's the women make the world a lot much better place to be in, and for that we all deserve pampering and a little love too. So I think if I'm free and if I get time, I'm just surely going to go and pamper myself and give a pat at my back for being one of the women of strength and substance. I think it totally depends on my mindset for the day. If I feel like getting into a sari and if I feel that is what something that I will feel sensual in, I would just wear up a sari. In fact, I love Indian wear. If it had to be me and given a choice, I love wearing Indian clothes. I love wearing Indian outfit. In fact, even for a regular day wear, not that I wear it too much, but I love kurtis. I love just a regular salwar with a kurti, with a plain white kurti or something. I love chikankari work a lot. I'm very happy that मुझे यहाँ पे invite किया गया. It's very prestigious. I feel very honored, and it's something that we all are doing it for Women's Day. I'm a woman, and I think all the women in the world, have a right to pamper themselves and to get pampered and to feel wanted. So I think this is a great way that Femina, in collaboration with Max and Life Trust, has come together, and all are doing something special for women. As a kid, I used to celebrate Holi really well. I still remember we had this pool where we used to put a lot of colors, and whosoever used to come to our house, we used to throw them in the pool. And my mother was very notorious. She would even inject bhang in fruits. I don't know if that's legal, and I just said it. Please don't catch hold of it. But yeah, I think Holi is one colorful event, and I love Holi. So me and my cousins, we've also played Holi, bursting eggs on each other's head and faces and all. So it's been now over the years, I've grown into a lot more mature and a sober person.
So we don't play Holi with eggs now. It's a cleaner Holi with a skin-friendly color. It's sad that when you read things, crime against women, and when you hear about all feticide and all of that. So yeah, I'm just hoping that this nation becomes a better place for women all the more, and we start we should start working at an individual level to be able to take up responsibility for the underprivileged.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.